hard to hear, always speaking too loud?
Hearing loss can make daily life harder. Try this.
Osmine HWUE1 Hearing Aids. Hear every moment clearly. It effectively reduces background noise
and enhances speech clarity. A stylish design that's comfortable and discreet. Confidence in every word. UV sterilization built into the charging case. Clean and hygienic every day. Long-lasting power. 2-hour charge for 20 hours use. 4 volume levels, easily adjusted to fit your hearing needs. Compact charging case with battery display. Easy to carry, ready to go.